Hi guys, this is Sherwin Soco and welcome to my channel. So ngayon mag-unboxing tayo sa Ipon can at saka sa Budgetarian envelope ni Chinkee. So I'm excited na buksan to para makastart na tayo mag-ipon at mag-budget. So let's open the Ipon can and envelope system, budget envelope system. Okay. Ayun. So open the box. Okay. I think mag-start tayo sa Ipon can. Somewhat maliit lang siya guys. So ito parang just in my hand, pwede siya i-hold sa dalawang kamay. So ito yung ano niya, this is Ipon can. This is 60,000 60k Ipon challenge. Wow. So mag-start siya sa 20, 50, 100, 200, 500, and 1,000. So I will use this for our emergency fund. So maliit lang siya. I'll try to save this one for the year. And then next guys, accordion envelope. So accordion envelope na budgetarian budgetarian envelope to guys. So meron siyang ito yun. So meron siyang save, budget, invest at saka stay debt free. Then may kalagay dito. So most probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So makalagay ka dito ng 12 na pera, 12 budget dito. So pwede mo tong lagyan ng budget mo for the month. For example, kuryente, tubig, yan, internet, parang ganyan. So this is useful for me to budget my expenses so that I can save and I can invest. So this is Chinkee Positive, my Ipon shade can. So ang 20 pesos ay may 50 pieces na i-shade mo ang 20 pesos. Ang 50 naman may 50 pieces na i-shade mo. Then ang 100 may 50 pieces din. Ang 200 may 45 pieces. Ang 500 35 pieces. Then 1,000 25 pieces. So until na makaabot ka ng 60k. So isas parang small lang siya na can. So handy siya. Pwede mo malagay kahit saan. Ito naman handy din. Parang small lang na envelope. So I am excited to apply my knowledge sa kay mentor Chinkee Positive. So thank you for watching. If you like this unboxing video sa Ipon can sa Budgetary, so if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on Chinkee books. So see you on the next video. Bye.